chemistry students. Welcome to Thursday, April 2nd. I just want to start off by saying you've been doing an awesome job getting your work turned in, submitted, and so forth. Keep it up. If you've been checking Power School, I'm sure you know that it went down yesterday, which is a fitting thing to happen since yesterday was April Fool's Day, so the joke's on us. So be patient. When Power School gets up and running, it'll take a while to get all the grades entered, but I'll catch up as quickly as I can. Today's assignment is 8-12, more practicing on word equations and balancing chemical equations. Friday, we'll be doing an online lab, so get ready for that. Make sure you have hair ties handy and make sure you're wearing goggles for the online lab on Friday. For today's assignment, 8-12, the answer key has been posted and the handout has been posted under 8-12. You can either do it on your own piece of paper and just write the number down, or you can print it out or do whatever you want to do. Whatever you've been doing has been working fantastic, and then share it with me to my email. Hey, yesterday we had a couple questions asked on 8-10. Thank you. When you're confused or you need help on anything, ask questions. If a lot of you ask questions on one problem in particular, I'll make a video to explain that problem. So don't hesitate to ask questions on any of this stuff. Remember, I'm still here to help. Which gets us to our thought of the day. Here's a quote written by Mr. Hippemeyer. In these times, like we are facing now, in these times that we have never seen before, we can grow to see more. All right, enough of the corn. Have a great day.